We all know that one girl who can devour 2 double cheeseburgers for lunch and still look like she just stepped off a runway without ever hitting the gym. Sound familiar? I used to wonder, how do they do it? What are their secret habits that the rest of us don't know about? Sure, you might be thinking, it's just genetics. She probably has a fast metabolism. And you're right, she probably does. But what if I told you there are 6 simple ways to trick your metabolism into acting just like hers? I made it my mission to uncover the truth behind how some people can eat whatever they want and still stay slim. Now, not everything I discovered worked, but that's exactly why I'm here, so you don't waste your time and can focus on what actually delivers results. But before we dive into the hacks, let's break down the science behind it all so you can truly understand what's happening in your body. The science behind metabolism. Why it matters. Your body burns calories in 2 ways, through physical activity and your metabolism. Here's the kicker. Your metabolism is responsible for burning over 60% of your calories, while physical activity only accounts for about 30%. That's why people with faster metabolisms can eat more and still maintain their weight. They're burning through calories at lightning speed. While we're all born with different metabolic rates, the good news is there are plenty of ways to boost your metabolism. No dieting or intense workouts required. But before we get into those, let me share something I discovered during my research that completely shocked me. The number 1 liquid your body actually needs. I was stunned to learn how many people are replacing water with sugary drinks like soda. Here's the truth. Your body only responds to 1 liquid, and that's water. Ever wonder why all the hot girls are constantly carrying around their water bottles? It's not just for aesthetics. Drinking about half a liter of cold water can increase your metabolism by 30% for 30 to 40 minutes. Why? Because your body has to work harder to regulate its temperature, which helps you burn calories faster. Plus, thirst is often mistaken for hunger. Staying hydrated can help you feel less hungry and control your appetite. And here's the irony. Water can actually reduce bloating. Bloating happens when your body holds on to excess fluid, but staying hydrated helps your body release those fluids more easily. So swap that soda for water. Your body will thank you. Hack number 1. Master portion control without sacrificing your favorite foods. Here's the deal. Even with a boosted metabolism, if you're eating more calories than your body can burn, you'll still gain weight. But the good news? You don't have to give up your favorite foods. The secret is portion control. Let me introduce you to the PCF rule. More protein, less carbs, least fats. This isn't about switching to a high-protein diet. It's about applying this rule to the foods you already love. Proteins contain fewer calories and help you feel full faster. So, for example, at Chipotle, add more beans and less rice. At a fast food joint, go for more wings and fewer fries. Even with pizza, try a flatbread option instead of a thick crust. This simple formula lets you eat what you want while consuming fewer calories. And for calorie-dense foods like desserts or chips, just eat smaller portions. A small slice of cake, half a bag of chips, or limiting fast food to once a week can make a huge difference. Hack number 2. Slow down your meals. Here's a simple trick to eat less without even trying. Slow down. Eating too fast can make you bloated and mess with your stomach's signals to your brain. It takes about 20 minutes for your brain to register that you're full. If you rush through your meal, you'll likely overeat. By eating slower, you trick your brain into feeling full before you've overindulged. Plus, slowing down improves digestion, which indirectly boosts your metabolism. Try putting your fork down between bites or putting your phone away during meals. These small habits add up and make a big difference. Hack number 3. Leave gaps between meals. If you're constantly snacking or eating out of boredom, your body never gets a chance to fully digest and reset. This can lead to weight gain. Leaving gaps between meals gives your body time to break down the food you've already eaten. Here's why it works. Your body uses hormones to regulate hunger and fullness. Ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and leptin, the fullness hormone, work together. But when you're constantly eating, these signals get messed up. By leaving gaps between meals, you take back control over your hunger. A great way to start? Stop eating by 8 to 10 p.m. This creates a natural 12-hour intermittent fasting window between dinner and breakfast the next morning. Hack number 4. Prioritize sleep. While you're sleeping, your body is hard at work burning calories, about 40 to 80 calories per hour. But poor sleep can mess with your hunger hormones, making you feel hungrier and crave sugary, high-calorie foods. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night, and if you can, sneak in a nap during the day. Hack number 5. Sneak in fun cardio. No gym required. Working out is great, but it's not the only way to maintain a healthy weight. For all my lazy girls out there, here's a list of fun cardio options that don't feel like work. Dancing, hiking, swimming, even walking your dog. But if you're too lazy for even that, here's a super simple hack. Suck in your belly. It engages your core muscles and keeps them active, even when you're just sitting or standing. Even walking your dog. Hack number 6. Build healthy habits that last. At the end of the day, maintaining a healthy weight isn't about strict diets or grueling workouts. It's about building sustainable habits that work for you. Whether it's drinking more water, slowing down your meals, or getting enough sleep. Let me share with you one of the most transformative tips for weight loss. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your daily routine. This natural powerhouse works wonders. Some even say it outperforms a tummy tuck when it comes to shedding stubborn fat. The best part? It's incredibly simple to use. Just mix a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar into your regular green tea or stir it into a glass of lukewarm water. For those who are serious about fast results, some even take it straight by the spoonful to harness its incredible fat-burning properties. Apple cider vinegar is truly unmatched. It's the only natural ingredient that works this quickly to melt away excess fat and help you achieve the lean, toned body you've been dreaming of. Give it a try, and you'll see why it's a game changer. I forgot to mention that you can also add lemon tea or lemon juice in your daily weight loss routine for a quick boost up, because lemon also cuts down your fat very quickly, and it has no side effects. You can have lemon drink chill or hot. It's completely your choice. Because the only thing which matters here is the consumption. Lemon juice shreds all those extra pounds from your belly fat. It also fastens your metabolism, which helps to lose weight really quick. These small changes can lead to big results. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these hacks today and watch your metabolism work in your favor. And if you're ready to take it to the next level, check out this video on how to build the perfect slim, thick body ASAP. Remember, you don't have to overhaul your life to see results. Just take it one step at a time. Your future self will thank you. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care, my cuties.